Hello and welcome back to the Scrap Bag Project. We pick up from where we left off in the last video, now that I've got some new oxygen for my oxyacetylene torch. Another part of this frame that needed attention was the down tube. Here I'm making up a new piece for the engine mount. With that done, I can now reconstruct the rear engine mount on the frame. Now that that is done, I can reassemble the bike so I can start to mock up the rear seat rails and frame, starting with the tank mount. I first use some stiff wire to mock up the shape that I want before bending and welding on the tubing. Using some more wire, I next mock up the position for the shocks and then weld them into place. Finally, now the bike can stand on its own two wheels and I can start to get a good picture of how it's going to look. The next thing I need to tackle is the wiring and the mounting for all the ancillaries. So I put the wiring loom up against the frame and mark out all the positions. I want everything to be hidden up underneath the tank so it's not visible. Now that I'm happy with how everything sits, I disassemble the bike again so I can fully weld up the frame. And there we have it. I am finally done with majority of the frame. I am very pleased with how this turned out. There is still a lot more to do on this bike, so stay tuned for my next video where we will tackle the engine mounts and the ancillaries. As always, feel free to share any tips, suggestions or advice, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. See ya!